That's how Medix have been able to basically save my life. My name is Terence Lin. The most recent 5 years I was in Indonesia acting as a CFO of an insurance company. Unfortunately, I got infected with the most severe form of the virus, the Delta version. It's fortunate that my company has group insurance that has Medix as add-on service provider.
Mr. Lin got better. He was eventually extubated and he was doing quite well, but he still had these chest pains. It's been coming and going. His doctors have done several tests, and so they've attributed this to his COVID infection. Due to the complexity of the case, Medix sent his medical files to multiple specialists from different fields for review.
The team took part in a daily call with the care team, and doctors from Medix called me up to ask me about my condition, and I can ask them for advice on different problems.
This is when Medix becomes important because we can utilize our team of 4,500 multidisciplinary experts from all around the world.
The most important part is 2 days before I was discharged, I still had some pain in my chest, and there were already many tests done and nobody knew the reason. But Dr. Mona consistently insisted that more examination has to be done, and one last thing is a CT scan of the coronary artery.
His doctors have done several tests and they've ruled out a cardiac cause, and so they've attributed this to his COVID infection. However, as he was being discharged, I consulted his case because the nature of his chest pains seemed very cardiac. So we consulted Medix specialists and they've recommended him to do a CTCA.
It was discovered that I have a blocked artery that is 90% block.
This is huge, of course. It showed that he actually did have a 90% stenosis or 90% narrowing of one of his major heart vessels. He might have been discharged without knowing about this, and he might have had a heart attack at a later time, at which time it would become an emergency. It might even be life-threatening.
I thought I only had COVID, so if I didn't die because of COVID, I might have died because of the heart attack. So that's how Medix have been able to basically save my life.